Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off background apps on your Windows 10. Let's start the video. First of all, right click on the start menu here and go to settings, and here you can see the option privacy. Click that option here, and on the left side scroll down, and here you can see the option background apps. Click that option, and here on the right side here is an option called let apps run on the background. It's on. So if you want to turn off all the application from your background, simply turn this on off. All the application that is running on the background will turn off. But if you want to specifically turn off some application, like if I want to turn off this application from my background, I can simply do that. And also if I want to do this as well, so I can specifically turn off any application that I don't want to run on the background. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you in the next one.